Welcome to moesmoontarot. I'll be doing this time for Scorpio. Okay, if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you. Alright, you might be detaching from something you feel like is hopeless here. Hopeless to argue. Hopeless to fight over here. Might be a love situation here or some type of connection. Could even be family. What do you have, Scorpio? Scorpio. On top. Scorpio. See. Oh, joy and stability is coming in for you. First card out. Open up. Rebuild. Some of you might be rebuilding something. Rebuilding your life. Here. Simply love. And confront. Every build is like a tower. So let's see. Daydreams and decisions under rebuild. Love under simply love. Changing your focus under confront. That makes sense. Just breathe. Giving and receiving and helpless and hopeless. Okay. I feel like you're getting something back here. This is a time of giving, reaching out, helping people, whatever that might mean to you. You might have felt hopeless, like you didn't want to give anymore, or you felt like a lot of people was taking a lot away from you at one point, but I feel like all that is coming back to you here. Maybe you are Scorpio, they have to help everybody. Overall daydreams, decisions, love, changing your focus here. Okay. This was a situation, this is number 7 here, that you thought was the right decision. It's under the tower. So now you realize you have to rebuild. This give me like high priestess energy here. Oh, this is no, not in this deck, but it do look like the high priestess here. This is about a decision here. I think you were pondering on making the right choice here. For some of you, it had to do with love here. The number 6. 6 can be significant. 76, 67. I feel like you're changing your focus here on what love means to you here. So this might have something to do with some type of self-realization, self-love, connecting with yourself too as well, because I see a whole lot of solar plexus energy here, sacral chakra. Maybe you was a Scorpio that just connected with people on a lower level, and maybe that, I mean, for some of you, maybe that's what love meant to you there. But now you're changing your focus. You want the real thing for whoever that is. You're confronting yourself, confronting your emotions here. I feel like you're halfway there, whatever this might be. Joy, stability, and open up. I think you're opening up to beautiful possibilities here, beautiful things around you here. It's like a restart here. You got twofold. You're very much protected. Just breathe is forward. Joy, stability is 4, and open up is number 4 here. Yeah, you're releasing a lot here. Giving things to the universe is what I'm seeing with this Just Breathe card. Okay. Some of you are in a connection. It was like your dream connection. And you realized that wasn't what it was all called up to be here. What's his joy and stability here? King of Wands here. Taking action here. King of Wands is a leader here. Could be dealing with a fire sign. Let's see. Some of you, like things trying to move fast. Or you could have fire in your chart. Let's see. This is King of Wands. Or this is you, maybe I'm talking to a guy. Let's see. This is King of Wands. The Lovers. Yeah, a decision here. That's what I'm saying. Especially if you're like a masculine Scorpio. That's what you thought was happiness. The Lovers. Having multiple options here. Ace of Wands. Sexual partners. I'm getting a lot of masculine Scorpios lately. Let's see. For my females, maybe you're more in tune with your masculine side here. This is how you seen the connection. Burst of flame. Okay, y'all. Let's see. But overall, this King of Wands is you making a decision to bring more joy and happiness into your life. I feel like this got a lot to do with being joyful and happy. What else? So you could be dealing with a Gemini. The Moon. Okay. Fear of opening up. Fear of having a true connection here. Some of you feel very emotional about a connection here. This could have been something that was long term, or you thought was going to be somebody wasn't being honest or upfront with you, kept running away here. What's this Moon card? Some of you connected with people real fast. We talking. I'm saying what I say. Because you didn't want to be alone here. This was fear of being alone here. You didn't. For others, you flip it. This is you seeing that it's a possibility that you might have to be alone for a long time and do things on your own, and you don't want to do that anymore with this open up card. What is this? Open up. For others of you, if this has something to do with like a business, it's time for you to face your fears and believe in yourself. Yeah, something's new coming in. 8 of Pentacles. Something's beginning to you. You need to open up to it. Here. Eight of Swords. You might be all in your head about it here. Are you good enough? Can you do this? I feel like you can. reflecting a lot here about should you take something new here. Could even be love. I feel like for a lot of you it's work. Well, work and love. Okay. Three of Pentacles here. So I got a Queen of Wands and King of Wands here. Two of Cups. Yeah, this got something to do with a connection, maybe even at your job here. Let's see. Queen of Cups. That's you. You're not sure about something. Not sure if you should open up to a new idea here. It's something you want to create. It's something that you want to work on here. I feel like it's a business. Something to do with your creative side. Something that connect with you here. You're telling yourself that it won't have no longevity, no success. But I feel like you don't need to stress. I feel like a king. What's this? I also see somebody trying to offer you something here, but you blocked them. I'm seeing a blocking energy here. This is a connection here. Like somebody wants to give you something, but you like, and then it even can be like stability and things like that, or just help you financially. And you're like, no, I can do it all by myself. I'm getting a lot of these few cards. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. You feel like you can do things alone by yourself here. But then at the same time, you keep going back and forth with yourself about it. All in your head with this Eight of Swords. What should I do about this? What should I do about that here? This is, for some of you, you need to learn how to ask the universe for help a little bit more. It's equivalent to where you pray and really believe it. Believe that your answers would be, your prayers will be answered here. Some of you might be trying to save on to money with this Four of Pentacles here. Something like a trust fund. I heard trust fund. Okay, anything else? Alright, we at the Tower. Tower. Rebuild and Tower. And Six of Cups here. Yeah, some of you do have to rebuild. Maybe you do need to save up money. It's a job or something in here that you feel like that you can't do, but I feel like you can. You feel like it's a lot of work or something like that, but it's not. I feel like things are being cleared up in your past here too. For some of you, this could even be childhood wounds, childhood trauma that you've been through. A lot of that is being cleared. Some of you did a lot of shadow work here. Some of you simply have to rebuild from a past situation here. Let's see. Four of Swords, another four. You are protected here. I feel like somebody took your heart for granted with this Four of Swords. Some of you might be trying to heal at this time too. Your emotions might be going back and forth with itself. The Tower is your card. Yeah, it's rebuilding. I feel like you do have help. There's someone here guiding you, I feel. Might even be a spirit guide with this Three of Pentacles. This Queen of Wands still right here. Someone is guiding you, sending you in the right direction here. Yeah, it's for you to walk away from something that didn't serve you here, right? So when a tower comes in, we do know that something didn't serve you anymore. What's this daydream and decision here up under this tower? I feel like this had you a little bit confused too. The way things came about, you didn't understand it. And maybe you even created this tower for yourself and you didn't know why. Eight of Wands here. Communication here. Actions. Queen of Swords here. Something was communicated or some action was taken from Queen of Swords here. Or this is you. For some of you, this can be words of affirmation here too as well. Like a pep talk, pepping yourself up here. But that's still like speaking to the universe, right? What's this? Yes, hopes, prayers. Here, the Star card and the Temperance card here. I feel like even though you knew you went through all this, but you knew you was going to heal. You knew that you had to be patient about something here too, as well. I feel whatever this tower was, you had a whole lot of patience with this situation here. For some of you, this can just be a rebuild of friendship, social group. You no longer connect with the people that you used to connect to here. Could be that too. Let's see. It's like I love you, but I can love you from afar here. I pray for you. That's what I'm getting. Okay. Strength. For simply love. I feel like a lot of y'all love strong here, especially when it comes to family here. You love hard. What's this strength card? I feel like that love will guide you here. Because this woman got a heart right here. And her clothes is white. So your intentions are always pure here. You can see two sides of a fence here. That's you. Yeah, you can. Some of you learn how to end your ego here about things here. Wow. I like it. You no longer have an ego. You know. When you don't have no, I mean, of course we all have an ego, but this is like pride, the lower vibration of your ego. You're learning how to just let things go, let things flow here. The stars are in your eyes. Some of you know how to see in the dark. I don't know. I'm getting something like that. Amen. Yeah. Changing your perspective here about things here. Yeah. And also controlling your emotions. This is learning here. Not going off on someone here. I feel when you get very emotional. What is this love? So right now, a lot of you are just living in love here. Love is just love, right? Five of Swords. Okay, let's see what this is. Somebody might have betrayed you here. They didn't realize that you was gonna be strong enough to end something here. What's this Five of Swords? Page of Wands came in this verse. Somebody's upset here. Somebody's still having hope about something here when it comes to you. This might be someone you're not seeing here. Somebody's trying to figure out where you're... Okay, y'all. Somebody's trying to figure out where your location is here. Could be an air sign here. This might be someone that you're separated from here, because I got the Queen of Swords and now the King of Swords here. Could be Aquarius. I see Aquarius here. Somebody has hope for something, want to heal it with you here. I feel like they're trying to figure out where you're located so they can charge in here. I'm hearing I want to see you. Ooh, 5 of Wands and the King of Swords. See me just to fight. See me just to argue. See me just to start conflict here. Who needs that, right? Somebody's fighting for your love. You still have hope here. What's this? Also see where you're going to be able to feel the energy of deception here with this 5 of Swords and Page of Wands. Page of Wands is like spirit to me. So you're going to be able to feel it around you here. Especially the way she sees it. You see the way the circle she's covered here. You're protected. Some of you learn how to put a protective barrel up here when it comes to dealing with people. Here. Yeah. How you view conflict. You can feel it when it's coming. That's what I'm saying. You see how this is the Ace of Swords and the 5 of Wands. You're going to know it. Here. Able to read a rum here for some of you. Or just energy overall that comes toward you. What's this confront here for Scorpio? Knowing to withdraw here. The Hermit here. Going within here. Very spiritual here too as well with this Hermit card. Some of you able to dive really, really deep and see things here with this Hermit card. Figure things out. Some of you know you just don't want something. There's no need to confront it here. 4 of Cups here. It's like I did want to balance something out. I did want to have a victory with you, but now it's time for me to let go here in order for me to put time and effort into myself here and allow the universe to assist me, I feel. To me, might feel as a missed opportunity with a Virgo. Let's see. 10 of Cups. This is a long-term investment here. You don't want it. It's too much arguments. It's too many conflicts here. Petty talk here. Somebody was very childish too as well. Somebody connect with the realm of what is it called? Like a tyrant. Somebody who always, if it's not argumentative, if it's not if you're not fussing with this person, going back and forth with this person, then they feel like it's not love. So it's something about this person where they need to fix their own issues here. Somebody had very strong ego, always wanted to argument, holding on to a grudge too is what I see somebody was doing. And you're taking it as a loss here, changing your focus, changing your views here. That's another number. Yeah, you just don't want it. 2 of Swords. You want a real give and take situation Not where someone draws from your energy. I'm getting that from here. I feel like something was very draining here in this situation here. Two of Wands here, making a decision here. Also see where somebody didn't want to make a decision here. Somebody didn't want to open up. They felt if they told the truth, it was going to be a whole lot of conflict here. Oh, God. So somebody might have ghosted somebody. Jeez. In order to be with someone else here. Could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. What's this Two of Wands? Seven of Wands. Protecting yourself here. Setting boundaries here too, as well. Not wanting the stress, because you know something can be very stressful here. The High Priestess and the Nine of Swords. This is moving forward. Some of you are doing a whole lot of changing here, I feel. You've mastered a whole lot. You've mastered, outgrown a whole lot, but this is mastering, right? How you connect and what it is that you truly do want here for L1s and the Nine of Cups. You have a reason to celebrate. Rather be celebrating yourself here. Celebrate your damn self. That's how I see it. I feel like somebody was very offensive. They was worried about a secret being exposed here. So they got on a very offensive mode here. Let's see. Yeah. King of Swords and the Hierophant. This could have been someone you were married to here. Somebody you had a long-term commitment with here. Somebody was very cold and calculated here. Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords. Somebody did something off of impulse here. Could be a Taurus, could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, whatever. But it's just the energy here. This person died. If they can say anything to you here to have you confused. They didn't really want you to walk away here. But you ended it here. You did. Yeah, you overlearned that shit. Okay. Could have been dealing with a Cancer too. Alright, that is what I have. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.